Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can send and receive a fax messages on your Motorola ThinkPhone. So at the start you have to open the Play Store and look for the fax app. I'm always using the Easy Fax app. Now add the permissions to the camera and decide that you want to turn on the notifications. Allow permissions to the files, and now if you want to add the document, click on this little plus and choose take photo. Sorry, I have to turn off this sounds. It's very annoying. So you can choose from this little plus the PDF from the online files, for example, import something from a gallery and just take a photo of your document. We will choose something from the gallery, that one for example, and you can also choose the more that one documents. And if you are ready, click import. Then you can add this shape to your document and go ahead. Then choose a filter to make it more visible for the fax receiver. You can also add a signature here, or add a text or a graffiti. If you are ready, click here, and now just type the number in this place, choose the country of course, and optionally can give a small note. And now if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, just click on the plus again and do it like before. But if you want to send only this one, just click here and that's it. If you want to get a fax number, go to the incoming section, tap on the get a fax number, choose your plan, continue, and select just a number. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.